What's up, YouTube? So for those of you that watched the last video on this one, I got it tore down a little bit. I got the exhaust off, the gas tank off. There's rust inside of it. There's hardly any oil. And it's just not going to fare well for this little motor. But I've never messed with the 79cc, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to tinker, because I like to tinker. And I'm going to probably end up just buying a new 79cc motor to slap on this mini bike. So let's start by taking the valve covers off, because I really want to get to those valves and see what condition they're in. And as loose as these are, I'm willing to bet the one or two times I've seen this laying on its side in his yard, that's how the oil drained out. So let's get this valve cover off and we'll take a peek at them and see what they look like. I'm going to go until I start running out of light, y'all. Grab my last little magnetic tray. Drop them down in there. I mean, they look good, but that doesn't mean that the... Oh, wow. Alright, guys. Let's turn this around. So, like I said, initial look, don't look too bad. That is most likely why his adjustment is way off. So we might be able to save this motor. So let me turn you guys back around and we'll start tearing all this all apart. Oh, that's an ugly mug. What do I want to do next? Start by taking this clutch off. Maybe. Yeah, there's some good rust on that too. Let me go find a spark plug socket and I'll bring you guys back here in just a second. Alright, y'all. Found me a spark plug socket. Good night. It's not the best. So, let's see. Maybe we can get it moved now. Alright. Let's start taking off the head. I've got stuff everywhere. Damn it, Bobby. I'm sorry, y'all. Having more technical difficulties. Ah, those aren't coming off. Alright, let's try this a different way. Get this bracket off. Just get it out of the way. Now, I'm probably going to get roasted in the comment section because there's a much better way to do this, but guess what? This is how I'm doing it. Anything else down there? Nope. So, let's take this cover off. See what we have. It's starting to get dark out here. I don't know how this is going to show up. It looks good on the camera, but it don't mean it's going to look good on the screen. So I'm going to get this cover off so we can see what's going on inside, and then we're probably going to call it a night. So I can get everything cleaned up before dark. when y'all are watching this, it'll be a Saturday. And that means tomorrow, Sunday, shout out Sunday. If you are a mini bike, go-kart channel, drift trike, small engine repair guy, and I like your channel and you interact on mine, I will do a shout out. Now, I'm not no big time YouTuber or anything like that by any means, guys. So I don't know what it may do, what it may not do for your channel, but I do it because I enjoy doing it. Come on. There we go. Yeah, y'all, that thing was bone dry. Oh. So, y'all see that little dot? See that one? Somebody's been in this motor. Somebody has been in here. That right there is probably what caused the valves to be out of alignment. Come on. Why can't I get it out? Alright, well, now that I found that problem, I'm going to work on this a little bit off camera because it's starting to get dark. So, I'll try to get some footage tomorrow on Thursday. If not, it's going to have to wait till Monday or Tuesday of next week. But, for those of you that are new here, I am Ken with L&R Rides. That little button, whichever corner, I still haven't gotten quite that good at it yet. But it says subscription. Literally, you can just scroll your mouse over on it and click it. It's free of charge. And then, as you're looking at it, the right, there's a bell icon. Click it, drop it to the all, and that'll let you know when I upload. Hit that thumbs up button for me. Drop some comments down in the comment section. And remember, guys, ride them like you stole them.